Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am sharing a buttery cinnamon skillet apple recipe. Perfect for fall, pretty easy. I saw this in a cookbook and wanted to try it out. I'm going to start with some butter down in a 10-inch skillet. Next, you're going to add 3/4 cup of sugar. After that, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And you're just going to let this all combine. It takes a little bit to mix up. Looks kind of grainy for a little bit, but the heat will eventually heat everything together and it will start to melt. So don't worry if it looks like it's not coming together. For this recipe, you're also going to need 4 cooking apples. I believe I chose the Honeycrisp variety because you're not cooking these for a super long time, so they held up pretty well texture-wise, and I think they tasted good, but just use your favorite apple. I think that would be fine. But you're going to have to cut them in half and core them to get them ready for the recipe. You're also going to add 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1.5 cups of water. And you're gonna see how I make it. You kind of put everything together, you let it cook for about 12 to 15 minutes, and while it does that, you want to spoon the kind of slurry over the apples while they're cooking, just so that the tops are coated with the mixture. So let's get into the nitty-gritty. So if you're new to the channel, you might know that I test these vintage recipes. I find them in cookbooks. So I've never made this one before. What you're seeing is the first time I make it. I think that's a really fun way to do these videos. The only issue I had with this recipe, it tasted great. I mean, it tasted like fall on the plate. The apples held up well. I served it piping hot with some ice cream. But I don't know if you can see whenever I start to kind of spoon everything out of the pan, but the mixture set up kind of gloopy, and I feel like it might be that cornstarch. Maybe it just needs to be dialed back to 1 tablespoon instead of 2. Might kind of help it. But other than that, it was fantastic. And if you decide to try out the recipe, let me know how it goes for you and which measurement you used. But I thought it was a super fun recipe, you know, kind of gets you geared up for fall, gets you into the comfort food vibes. But I wanted to let you guys know how the taste went and how cooking went. Recipes are always at the end, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more. I'll see you back here next time on Vintage Cookery.